Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine, and also welcome to my new kitchen studio. I'll have to create a separate video for you all to go through all the details of my new place. But today we are making a Grasshopper Torte. Now this recipe combines the coolness of mint with the richness of chocolate, resulting in one 5-star dessert. And I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. So let's get started. All right, so let's jump into this recipe. For the crust of our torte, we're going to need 48 chocolate wafers. And we're gonna place those into a food mixer alongside 2 tablespoons worth of granulated white sugar. We're gonna pulse the wafers with the sugar until a fine crumb is formed, making sure that there are no large pieces left. We're also going to add in a 1/4 cup's worth of salted butter that's been melted and stir or pulse that until the chocolate crumb is evenly coated. We're going to transfer this crumb mix to a 9-inch springform pan that's been sprayed with a non-stick spray. You want to press the crumbs into the pan, creating a crust that forms around the base as well as coming up the edges of the pan as well. I like using a 1/4 cup measuring cup to press the crumbs in and around the pan. You want to transfer your crust to the freezer while we prepare the filling. And now in a large bowl, we want to add in a 1/4 cup's worth of whole milk, a 1/4 cup's worth of creme de menthe, as well as 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. Mixing those with an electric mixer until they're well combined. The marshmallow cream may still look separated into tiny pieces, but it will melt into the milk and creme de menthe as you prepare the whipped cream. Now, in a medium-sized bowl, we want to whisk together 2 cups of heavy whipping cream with 1/2 cup's worth of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon's worth of pure vanilla extract. First on low speed to combine them, and then you want to ramp up to high speed until stiff peaks form. You want to stir the large bowl once more to combine the milk, creme de menthe, and marshmallow cream. And then you want to add in the whipped cream to the bowl and then gently fold the mixes together until they've just combined. We're going to pour the filling into the chocolate crust within the springform pan. You want to use an offset spatula to smooth out the top layer before covering the pan in plastic and then transferring this to the freezer to set. And this will fully set in 6 to 8 hours or overnight. And then when you're ready to serve this, you want to gently remove the outer layer of the pan, slice a piece of the torte, and then I like garnishing it with a dollop of whipped cream, a mint sprig, as well as some mini Oreos. And with those final steps, this Grasshopper Torte is ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made one amazing dessert right at home. You can try incorporating crumbled chocolate cookies or mint chocolate chips into the torte filling itself for some added texture and flavor complexity. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this dessert, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click that subscribe button too. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I try to make a classic breakfast recipe, my hoe cakes. This is inspired from my great grandmother's recipe, and I can't wait to show you guys how to make them. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.